Let's teach you how you can set a template that will always be loaded whenever you go to send an email or SMS. This will enhance your quick send ability when communicating with clients. First of all, you'll need to be an admin user and go to the Office settings. Inside the Office settings, you will see a Settings tab. You will need to scroll to the Office section where you can see your default email template and default SMS template. The default templates will load whenever you go to send an email or an SMS to a client. In my particular office, we've used the blank for the email template and the blank for the SMS template. Once you have selected these, you can hit the Save Setting option. To see how these work, you can now go into your clients. We'll open up my particular record. And to quickly communicate with myself, we can hit the Send SMS option. This will load the blank SMS template straight away. All I need to now do is type my text. If you want to see the preview, you can hit the Update Preview option. Now, all you need to do is hit the Send option. This works exactly the same with email. On my record, we can use the Send Email option. We can see that it opens up directly to my blank template, where we can enter in our subject and then customize the text. To see a preview of your updated text, use the Update Preview option. Once you are happy with the preview, you can then scroll directly to the bottom, add attachments if needed, choose who you're sending it from, and then hit Send Email.